Hey everyone, it's sgortzak with Get Stamping with Sonia, and today I have a video for you showing you the Making Plans Planner, a A5 size planner you can get for free if you join up to be a Stampin' Up demonstrator during the Sale-a-Bration 2022 from 1st of July to the 31st of August. Enjoy! So here it is. It is the Making Plans Planner kit. You get it for free if you join up to be a Stampin' Up demonstrator during Sale-a-Bration. It finishes at the 31st of August, so don't wait too long. You can find all the information in the back of the Sale-a-Bration brochure. If you join and you're in the UK, it costs £99. You can pick out £130 worth of product. And then you get this collection that I'm about to show you for free. Go to stampinup.uk/join and look at my name, sgortzak, and sign up. Let me know if you're about to sign up and you need any help deciding what to pick. And you know, you don't have to become an active demonstrator, just a great value for money. After that, you will get 20% of all products you buy before VAT. So yeah, it's also a great way of getting regular discounts on your favorite Stampin' Up products. Included is a planner, stickers, sheets inside. I'll go through that. You get 3 cute little notebooks, or actually not that little, and a stamp set. So let's have a look. For comparison, same size roughly as an A5. This is my proper file of facts, and the inside 6-ring binder system is also the same as a regular file of facts, which means that if you wanted to add any kind of sheets yourself, you can just use this one I got off Amazon, a regular A5 6-hole punch, which is good because, you know, I haven't yet found the perfect planner. I always want to add something different to myself. Anyway, this one inside, oh yeah, first, what else do you get? You get 3 notebooks, just a little smaller than the planner. One is plain, one has dots, really useful, and you can guess the third one, lined. So even more room to write up all your ideas. You get a photopolymer stamp set you can use in your planner or in any kind of sheets for your order making, wish list, all the things, keep track of, stuff list, Stampin' Up copyright stamp if you were to send any of your cards out, notes to do, goals on this day. Sorry, if you wanted to sell your stamps, I should say. If you want to copyright, getting this all wrong. If you want to sell your cards, you have to put a copyright stamp on it. So you got that there. Nice arrow there. Check all the boxes, different kind of shapes you can use to decorate it in all kinds of colors. Thank you plans and some cute banners. Checklist, always good. Photopolymer, so you can see where you're stamping. I've taken a few of them off already and put them on blocks, so we can do a little bit of stamping in a minute. And you get 4 sheets of stickers, flowers, more banners and icons, arrows, a couple more flowers, these event order, on stage, team meeting, backstage, any kind of these reminder stamps. You get 2 sheets and some more fun ones here. Big plans, I love list, love today, work hard, let's do this, take a break, good one. Night out, yeah, you should have some fun, you know. Now let's have a look inside of the planner. Alright, let's have a look inside our planner. You get a big pocket there. You might be able to fit one of those notebooks in there. You've got 3 little pockets and another little pocket here. You get about a whole stack of these, up to 12, yeah, for one for each month. There's actually 18 months worth of weeks and months in there, so you can go until the end of 2023. So you've got a tab each for each month. You got a page divider there, so you know where you are, probably the week you're on or the month. Here's an overview of the year for 22, and here's for 23. Then start your year or your business. You can put your goals on paper. So there's values, passion, skills, and mission. And looking ahead for the year, aspirations, habits to create, enjoy more, and objective. And there's a second one, so that would be for 2023. I've only put a little bit in. These coils for the binder are a little bit smaller than my file effects, so I wouldn't put everything in at once. I'd say maybe 3 or 4 months at a time. So you open up with the monthly focus, important days, goals, shopping list, remember to do, and what are you excited about. Really like that one. And then you've got the month at a glance. That is dated, and I noticed it starts at Monday and it's Sunday. Might be different in the US, but at least here in Europe it starts on a Monday. Bit of room for notes. And then your weekly priorities. So this is not really intended as an appointment book so much as you getting things done. So a little bit of space for every day of the week. This is undated, and you can remind yourself of your weekly goals. So you put a few of those in, and then you can swap the last Friday to Sunday sheet at the end of the month, so that you get this monthly review, which is really, really helpful to develop yourself. So what were the highlights? What did you accomplish? What did you find challenging? And you can do a little bit of reflecting and give yourself some gold stars. So you can do the same for September 2022, etc., etc. Then at the end you get these note pages. You get 2 different ones. Get a nice stack of these, which have lists here and a grid there. Put a bunch of those in for your plans, ideas, and whatnot, and you get a slightly different configuration. Lines, a box, a grey box, and some lines there. And what you could do using your stamps is you can kind of personalize those. Oh yeah, here, another big pocket and a pen loop. This has got a magnet in it, so close. So I could do a bit of stamping. I've already tried out a little bit, you can see. And you can use your stamps to personalize your pages. So I used a to-do stamp there. Added this. Used a making stamp there. And you've got these cute little icon stamps. You can see them there. You can make your own sort of bullet points. Us demonstrators like to send thank you notes, so you can use this to remind you which customers have ordered with you and that you need to send them a little card or something. What are you going to do this week? What do you need to make? Most importantly, if you're Stampin' Up demonstrator. So yeah, that is it. So, interested? Go to stampinup.uk/join or stampinup.nl/instopper if you're in the Netherlands. Yeah, you can get these as well. The Dutch and for the Dutch market, the planners in English. I understand there's also a German and a French version for the German and French market. Yeah, and anyone in the EU or the Europe can join with me. So you go to stampinup.uk/join and you start the process. Make sure you know what you want in your £130 starter kit, because you get to choose it. So do a little bit of calculating to get as close as you can to that £130, because they do not allow you to go over it by even a penny, and you want to get the most out of it. Yeah, send me a message if you would like some help sorting that out. In your starter kit, you'll also get like a business pack, they call it. So you get an 8-pack of annual catalogs, the autumn sort of Christmas catalog. You get order forms and invitation cards and a few other things. So really good. You get a great big box full of goodies, and if you order the starter kit, that also already includes postage. So you only pay that £99 or 129 euros, and you get lots of fun stuff. Hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.